Hi, Assalamualaikum. Welcome to Daily Bite with Anwar. Here I'll be sharing some easy and simple recipe that I have learned from both local and international. I would love to learn from you too. Drop your favorite recipe in the comment. And let's keep our Daily Bite exciting together. Now, let's head to the market and grab some halal ingredients together. Let's go. This is Eon Supermarket where we can get our halal ingredients for today's bite. Let's go.
A lot of my friends have asked me how a Malaysian Muslim live in Vietnam, since finding halal food wasn't easy at all. But Vietnam is now developing its halal food system to meet the need of local consumer and international Muslim visitors.
This is halal chicken. If convert to ringgit, it's only 11 ringgit for 500 gram. Not bad, right? Halal beef meat.
Major cities like Hanoi, Ho Chi Minh City, and Da Nang have many big stores and supermarkets, such as Aeon, Lotte Mart, and Big C, where you can find halal products. Additionally, there are several restaurants specializing in halal cuisine to cater the dining needs of Muslims. So, while Vietnam may not have as many halal options as some other places, it's definitely getting easier to find what you need.
Done shopping, let's head back. Hi, just come back from supermarket. Do you love salted egg? I love salted egg. In today's video, I'm gonna make salted egg sauce with shrimp. Come join me.
Here is what you need to prepare: 300 grams of fresh shrimp, 3 tablespoons of corn kernels, 1 teaspoon of shallots, 1 tablespoon of garlic, 50 to 100 grams all-purpose flour as long as the flour can coat your shrimp, a little butter, and a bit of cilantro. To make the salted egg sauce, you need 3 salted egg yolks, 100 ml of unsweetened fresh milk, 1.5 tablespoons of condensed milk, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, 1 teaspoon of seasoning powder, and a bit of pepper. First, let's steam the salted egg yolk for around 10 minutes. After it cooks, let's mash the salted egg yolk. And then pour fresh milk. Mix, mash. And then we put condensed milk. Make sure we got everything. And then seasoning powder. A bit of pepper. And fish sauce. Then we continue mixing it up. Now we move to clean the shrimps. Remove the head and shells. Here is the tip to remove the vein. Count 4 segments from the tail and use toothpick to remove the vein. See? Easy, right? I show you again how to do it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Remove it. See? Easy. Once peeled, pat the shrimp dry, put them in a bowl with 50 to 100 grams of flour and toss until the shrimp are evenly coated. Now let's heat some oil in the pan. Once the oil is boiled, fry the shrimp until golden on both sides. remember to flip your shrimp so it won't be overcooked. Oops, there's 2 shrimp stuck together. My bad. Once done, put the shrimp aside. Now using same pan, we heat some oil and butter together. Put garlic and shallot, fry until golden and fragrant. Then we add corn kernels and stir fry for 1 to 2 minutes. Then pour the salted egg sauce mixture, stirring constantly until it thickens and bubbles. Then add the shrimp and stir it until everything is well coated. And there you have it, a delicious and easy dishes of salted egg sauce shrimp. You can enjoy this with rice or even with some bread to dip into the sauce.
Let's try it. I'm gonna try it with some rice. So big. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. It's very savory, sweet and creamy. Very nice to pair with rice. You should try it. Try making it and let me know how it turned out. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe this channel so you won't miss out our next recipe together. If you have any question or want me to cook something specific, just let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. See you in next video. Bye bye.